I'm Zach.
And I'm Cody, and these are some things you shouldn't do while playing Airsoft.
Tactical roll. Gotta sneak up on the enemy.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Hey!
You're out.
Douche!
You're out. Bang bang.
So, we're gonna go over what Zach here did wrong.
I don't do anything wrong.
Yes, you do. You know what you do wrong? You yell bang bang, and then you run up and shoot people.
Yeah, so you're twice the dead.
That's not how Airsoft works, okay?
Load. Oh, Akbar!
Hey! No! Bad.
What?
That's very obscene and offensive.
Aww.
That does not need to be shouted at an airsoft field.
What did I do?
You hurt the players with words, not BBs.
360 no scope, bro.
Hey! You! Keep your memes where they belong, in COD.
You didn't hit me, bro.
I shot you in the helmet, I got it on film.
I'm in last stand.
I'm going. MLG, bro! Oh, yes! Yeah! Wow. Bad finish that game with no injuries.
Oh God! Eyes! Oh! Do not point at anything you are not willing to shoot. Ow. Always keep your eye protection on in the field.
Hey, there's a guy there.